Assalamu alaikum. My dear sweet learners, let me teach you connectors or linking words. Connectors or linking words. Okay, learners, to add information. To add information, we should use besides, moreover, furthermore, again, also, too. So, lovely learners, to add information in connectors or linking words topic, we should use besides, moreover, furthermore, again, also, too. Let's see some examples. I teach you English grammar. I teach you English grammar. Besides, I make fun with you. Besides, I make fun with you performing Bangla songs. So, lovely learners, I teach you English grammar. Besides connector, I am adding information to the prior sentence, okay, to the previous sentence. I teach you English grammar. Besides, I make fun with you performing Bangla songs, okay. Moreover, I recite English poems. Moreover, I recite English poems. Okay? Furthermore, I share with you some political facts. Learners, furthermore, I share with you some political facts. Okay? Let's say again. I teach you English grammar. Now I am adding more information to the previous sentence. Alright? Besides, I make fun with you performing Bangla songs. Okay? That I did the day before yesterday. Moreover, I recite English poems. Furthermore, I share with you some political facts or contemporary political facts. Alright? So, besides, moreover, furthermore. these connectors are used to add more information to the previous sentence or the sentence which already told or written. Okay, dear? Lovely learners, to show condition. To show condition, we use if, unless, or had. If, unless, or had. Okay. If I teach you properly, if I teach you properly, you will make a good result in the exam. So if, here condition, if I teach you properly, you will make a good result in the exam. First of all, I should teach you properly or well, then you will do a good result or better result in the examination. Okay? Unless you speak the truth, you will be punished. Lovely learners, here, unless you speak the truth, you should speak the truth first of all. Okay, then you will not have punishment. So unless you speak the truth, if you do not speak the truth, you will be punished. Okay, unless here condition. Okay, unless here is used to show condition. And had I been a good teacher, had here is used instead of if. Had is used here instead of if. Okay, had I been a good teacher, you would have learned better. Okay, had I been a good teacher, you would have learned better. So had, if, and finally unless are used in these sentences to show condition. Lovely learners, in this way you must practice more and more. Thank you very much for watching this video.